Last night, the Spotify app talked to me for 2 hours. My one-sided conversations with Spotify's new AI DJ pose a question. Can a corporation or a robot, for that matter, be a guy? So this is Spotify's AI has their own AI now.
Yeah, it's the DJ. Mo and I were talking about it, and they have like a playlist set, and in between the songs, it would kind of like spit some facts for you
How's it
about
sound?
the song. It sounds pretty good.
Like a person's voice?
Yeah, it was very upbeat, and I heard that it was like a male voice. It was pretty good.
It was a pop-up with a green circle on a blue background asking if I wanted to try the new AI DJ. It's really great to be here with you. I'm Xavier, but my friends call me X. Okay, I'm out.
Just delete the app.
I'm out. And from this moment on, I'm going to be your own personal AI DJ on Spotify. Yeah, I'm an AI, but listen, I don't set timers. I don't switch on your lights. I'm all about music, your music. I know what you listen to. I see the Lejadu sisters there, which is an artist that was in the recent. So I'm going to be here every day playing those artists you got in rotation. Going back into your history for songs you used to love. And I'm always on the lookout for new stuff too. Just push your boundaries a little bit. I'm done with this guy. Will, I'm done with this guy.
You don't want to hear him?
My name's Xavier, but my friends call me X.
Okay.
I got some cool suggestions for you, but you kind of need to widen your horizon a little bit.
I don't think this is a bad idea because most of the time, if you're listening to radio...
Oh, damn, that's a real person.
It's going to be...
Oh, no. Xavier X is a real person. Oh, my bad. My bad. Sorry, Xavier. I thought that was an invented thing.
Well, there's an AI component to it.
No, I know, but I thought they invented the whole thing, and I'm guessing Xavier doesn't sound anything like what I just did. I apologize, X, for all that.
But it's using his
voice. And
voice.
if my name was Xavier, I probably would be X too, because that takes a while, and it's a little complicated on the Starbucks mug and everything else. But I'm sure they gave him the script at least.
Yeah.
I'm sure they went over to Xavier and they're like, we approve this script. And he was like, oh, okay. And then, I don't know.
Well, his voice is a voice model.
Somebody says, LOL, he does actually sound like that. No, come on. Really? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Hold on here. Maybe we can play a little bit of it. I'm not too sure. There might be music, though.
Hey, Max, what's going on? I'm X, and from this moment on, I'm going to be your own personal AI DJ on Spotify.
No, I didn't sound like that. I had a different guy. I was playing a different guy. I was playing like more surfer, sort of.
All right. But it's also very upbeat. I don't mind this.
Okay, keep going. Keep playing it.
It's probably going to play a song. I don't want to...
Go. Been on a summer song kick lately, so I went back for some of your old summertime favorites. See if it warms you up.
You know what it is? It's just I don't really... Yeah, I don't know about all this. Just in general.
You don't?
Like, there's some reason why I feel apprehensive about it, or why it just feels so persuasive, and I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know that I'm gonna, and especially in this case where it's trained on an actual person.
What if it's like
maybe that's the right way they say gimmicky. Someone here says that rebranding this as an AI DJ seemed gimmicky at best. Yeah, maybe it does seem sort of gimmicky. That I'm kind of playing your corporate game. Like, we're all so cool. Like, aren't we all so cool? I don't know. Whatever.
Okay.
Whatever. Yeah,
right.
Some people like it. That's fine.
All right.
I just don't think I'm going to be having that interaction personally.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll try it. I'll try it and get back to you guys.
Yeah, Mo, I think likes it. He's the thumbs up. Maybe just one thumb up. I'm not too sure.
Well, let's people in the comments. You go ahead. Let me know. Is that what you want? You want the AI? You want to chat to the AI DJ, or what do you want to do?
Uh-huh.
Or the real DJ that it's trained on, or that's actually scripted, or whatever it is.